right, so we're heading out to
Cayo Costa.
Cayo Costa, but the
Pineland Ramp in Pine Island, Florida.
All right, all loaded up, ready to go.
So this is Matt Lachey. This is nearly 2 years after Hurricane Ian, and there's still a lot of destruction and cleaning up. They're actually still rebuilding this bridge portion here, as you can see. They've been constructing this since day one, and they still got a lot of time to go. All right, here we are, Pineland Marina, taking off. All right, we are at Cayo Costa State Park. It's an island off of near Pine Island, only accessible by boat. It's a beautiful day, quiet. So we left Cayo Costa, and now we're heading to Boca Grande. Island's only about 10 minutes away by boat. This is the Boca Grande sandbar here.
Look at me. Look how cool you are, baby. Look how cool this is. So normally, I guess it's low tide right now. Normally this would be covered. to get the truck, to get the boat all loaded up. Kaden is still sleeping. Kai is hungry, looking for food.